ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं वादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। तृतीय श्लोक। यस्यैव स्फुरणं सदात्मकमसत् कल्पार्थकं भासते साक्षात् तत्त्वमसीति वेदवचसा यो बोधयत्याश्रितान्। यत्साक्षात्करणाद् भवेन्न पुनरावृत्तिर्भवाम्भोनिधौ। तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। फर्स्ट वार्तिका। सत्ता स्फुरत्ते भावेषु कुत आगत्य संगते बिम्बादिदर्पणन्यायादित्थं पृच्छन् प्रबोध्यते। सत्ता स्फुरत्ते भावेषु कुत आगत्य संगते। सत्ता स्फुरत्ते संगते। संगते is द्विवचनम like Rama Rame. So a disciple is asking the question, this satta and sphuranam, from where did they come? Because they are not the dharma of drishya. So if it is dharma of drashta, atma, then from atma how did they come in drishya padartha? कुत आगत्य संगते बिंबादि दर्पण न्यायाद इत्थम पृच्छन् प्रबोध्यते। बिंबादि दर्पण न्यायाद। सो just as the bimba appears in pratibimba, so in the same way has this satta and sphuranam come from somewhere, atma entered into anatma, come from drashta entered into drishya, just like bimba enters into the darpana and appears as pratibimba. In this way has it come. Itham pruchan, in this way itham, in this way pruchan shishyam or pruchan शिष्यः प्रबोध्यते। प्रबोध्यते शिष्यः प्रबोध्यते। पृच्छन् is शत्रु प्रत्यांत रूप। सो शिष्यः प्रबोध्यते। प्रबोध्यते गुरुणा कर्मणि णिजन्त। प्रबोध्यते ज्ञाप्यते गुरुणा। सो by the teacher, the disciple who is asking is enlightened. Prabodhyate, jnapyate. So the asking question is enlightened by the teacher. That is the meaning of the shloka. See in tika. Yaduktam सत्ता स्फुरत्ते न दृश्य धर्मौ किंतु द्रष्टृ धर्मौ इति तत्र इदं पृच्छामि। You said that satta and sphuranam, they are not drishya dharma, but they are dharma of drashta, न दृश्य धर्मौ किंतु द्रष्टृ धर्मौ इति तत्र इदं पृच्छामि किं दृश्येषु ते न स्तः कथं तर्हि तेषु उपलभ्येते इफ दे आर नॉट देयर इन दृश्येषु ते सत्ता स्फुरते सत्ता एंड स्फुरणम यदि दृश्येषु न स्तः इफ दे वर नॉट देयर इन दृश्य कथम तर्हि तेषु उपलभ्येते देन हाउ दे आर अवेलेबल इन दृश्य इति दिस इज व्हाट स्टूडेंट इज आस्किंग दृष्टनिष्ठे एव सति भासेते इति चेत् तर्हि किं दर्पणादाविव मुखादि दृश्येषु प्रतिबिंब भावम् आचरतः इति they are drashtu-nishtha. They are there in drashta. Drashtru-nishthe sati. Sati means in sat. Drashtru-nishtha sat eva sati bhasete. Sati means sat rupa adhisthane eva भासेते इति चेत if they are appearing actually only in sat then किम दर्पणादाविव मुखादि दृश्येषु प्रतिबिंब भावम् आचरतः then just as the face is appearing on the neck but in the mirror it appears as a pratibimba as a reflection in the same way are the satta and sphuranam, they are appearing as some kind of reflection in drishya. This is the question. So sati is sati brahmani. In this way you have to understand. Huh? Because bhasete is dvivachan. So sati has to be adhikarana only. It cannot go with the subject. एतच्च न उपपद्यते but in this there are some problems, some limitations. What are the problems? First thing is pratibimba is available only of murta vastu, not amurta vastu. अमूर्तयोः तयोः प्रतिबिंब भाव अनुपपत्तेः. Satta and sphuranam, they don't have form. They are formless. Formless entity cannot have pratibimba, reflection. This is one. Second, reflection is always of finite thing. That which is infinite cannot have reflection. Infinite thing like space. Space is not directly reflected. So that is another problem. Ata eva cha ayaf pindadavagneriva sankramoppi anupapannaha. And if you say no, it is not like the bimba entering in darpana as pratibimba, it is Agni entering into ayaf pinda. Fire entering into an iron ball. In that way, there is sankramanam. You say that is also not possible because that also requires some formful entity. An attributeless, formless entity, there is no entry. And infinite doesn't have to enter anywhere. It is already there everywhere. अतः कथम सर्वसत्ता स्फुरण रूपम ब्रह्म आत्मा इति पृच्छन् शिष्यः उत्तरश्लोकेन निषिध्यते इत्यर्थः. निषिध्यते उत्तरश्लोकेन means उत्तरश्लोकेन निषिध्यते. So if the student who is asking this, कथम सत्ता स्फुरण रूपम ब्रह्म आत्मा, how Brahma is of the nature of satta and sphuranam, and how these satta sphuranam You are saying they are available in all Drishya Padartha, but they don't belong to Drishya, they belong to Atma. Iti pruchan shishyo nishidyate uttarashlokena. Uttarashlokena nishidyate means that you are not thinking correctly. He is being negated. His line of thinking is incorrect. That is being said in the next shloka, which we just read, yasyaiva sfuranam sadatmakam. So the meaning of the shloka is tasmai Shri Guru Murtaye Namaha, Dakshina Murtaye Namaha. Who is that? Yasyaiva Sfuranam Sadatmakam Tasmai Namaha. The one whose Sfuranam is Satswarupam, Sadatmakam. So the one whose Chaitanya is of the nature of existence. Sfuranam means Chaitanyam, Jnanam. Sadatmakam means of the nature of Satta, existence. Means Satta itself is appearing as Chaitanya. Sfuranam Sadatmakam. If you want to put it the other way, you will have to say Yasyaiva Satta Sfuranatmakam. Asat kalparthakam bhasate. It appears as asat. So whose satta and sphuranam are appearing as asat, as though asat kalparthakam. Kalparthakam means sadrisham, similar to asat. So Brahma, Chaitanya and Satta in Jada Padartha, in Drishya, it is not appearing as absolute Satta and absolute Chaitanya. Therefore, the Satta in the Padartha becomes Anirvachaniya, not Sat, not Asat, not Sadasat. Similarly, the Sphuranam of Atma, which is Kutastha, that Spuranam in Padartha, it will not appear as Kutastha, it will appear as Vikari. That's why it is said Asat Kalparthakam, like Sadrisha Kalparthakam Bhasate. There is another reading Kalparthagam. So Asat Kalpa Artham Gachati, Gam Gachati. So it attains asat like artha. Sat as though appears as asat. Meaning is same, kalparthakam or kalparthagam bhasate. Tamil people, because for them ka, kha, ga all are similar, so asat kalparthakam and asat kalparthagam will be similar then. Bhasate tasmai namaha. So the one whose Puranam is as though appearing as asat, sat appearing as asat, to that Guru is the salutation. Then earlier it was pointed out that the first shloka's meaning is Tvampada Upalakshita Chidatma, which is pointed out by Tvampada. Tvampadartha Drashtritvena Upalakshita Chidatma. And second shloka's meaning was Tatpadartha, and that is the Jagat Karanena Upalakshita Chidatma. So Jagat Upadana Karana, Srishti Sthiti Laya Karanena Upalakshita Chidatma. So now in this shloka, their Aikyam is pointed out. Sakshat Tattvamasi iti Veda Vachasa Yo Ashritan Bodhayati. Yaha Guruhu Ashritan Shishyan. Ashritan, so in Tika it will be explained. Ashrita means not just somebody who says, hey Guru, teach me, so Guru will start teaching. Ashritan here means those who are already doing upasana, those who are already doing prayatna to study this Brahma Vidya, and those who are endowed with qualifications, they are seeking moksha, to them sakshat tattvamasi iti bodhayati. Yaha kaha Dakshinamurti. So here teacher is going to teach Tattvamasi. So teacher is Dakshinamurti here in this shloka. In first shloka, Jiva is Dakshinamurti, who is going to attain the liberation. Second shloka is Ishvara is Dakshinamurti. Third is Guru is Dakshinamurti. Yo ashritan bodhayati kena tad sakshat tattvamasi iti vedavachasa. Vedavachasa is which vibhakti? Vedavachasa is tritiya vibhakti. Vachah sabda. Vachah vachasi vachamsi. Vachah vachasi vachansi vachasa. So, tritiya ekvachanam. By the words of the Vedas, sakshat tattvamasi iti bodhayati ashritan upasakan sadhana chatushtaya sampanna mumukshun. Yat sakshatkaranat पुनः भवाम्भोनिधौ आवृत्ति न भवेत. By whose enlightenment, yat sakshatkaranaat पुनः भवाम्भोनिधौ, पुनः once again in this ocean of transmigration, भवाम्भोनिधि, तस्मिन् भवाम्भोनिधौ भव एव अम्बुधि, Ambonidhi, here Ambonidhi, tasmin bhavambonidau punah avritti na bhavet. There is no coming back again. There is no coming back again means this is by accepting that right now I am in samsara. But according to our Vedanta Siddhanta, if you think that right now I have come to samsara, right now I am suffering, one day I will become free, then that moksha is something which will come in time. Then that moksha is not accepted as eternal because it is time bound. Therefore, what Vedanta wants to say is, I should understand I am Nitya Mukta. So not even in this life I am in samsara, then what to talk of coming back again. Tasmai Shri Guru Murtaye Shri Dakshinamurtaye Idam Namaha. To that Guru, that Dakshinamurti is this salutation. Now when it is said that the Satta and Sphuranam of Drashta alone appears in Drishya, how should I understand? So simplest way is to understand that all idam depends upon aham. All idam vrittis means the vishayas cannot be known without vritti. Vishayas are known through idam vritti. Idam vritti cannot exist without aham vritti. Aham vritti cannot be there without sat. That satta is of Atma. Santam vihaya kinnu sat pratyaya. Without existence, the thoughts themselves will have no existence. So if thoughts are existing, that itself shows that there is some existence principle through whose support they are existing. So this entire Brahmanda is supported by Satta, Atma Satta, in this way that idam requires aham, aham requires Atma, Sat, and therefore the Brahmanda requires Atma, Sat. Now because that Atma is only one and I am that Atma, Aparoksha, therefore I alone am the support of this creation. In this way when I understand, so then that is called waking up from the dream. Prabodha samaye sakshat kurute. Like in Swapna, everything is supported by the Jagrat Pramata. In this way, in Jagrat, everything is supported by Atma Satta. See Tika now. Yasyaiva chidatmanaha eva sphuranam swarupa prakashaha sadatmakam sanmatram sada sarvanusyutam bhasate स्वयमेव स्फुरति सच्चिदात्मा दक्षिणामूर्तिः तस्मै नमः इति अन्वयः. यस्य एव चिदात्मनः एव स्फुरणं. सो यस्य चिदात्मनः एव स्फुरणं, दिस चैदात्मा, चैतन्य स्वरूप आत्मा alone, which is स्वरूप प्रकाशः, means स्वयं प्रकाशः, सदात्मकं, which itself is Sat Swarupa, Sadatmakam, Sanmatram, Sada Sarvanusyutam Bhasate. Sada, all the time, Sarva Anusyutam, that which is Anusyuta, pervading in all, Bhasate, Swayameva Sphurati. It itself shines, Swayameva Sphurati. Sacchidatma Dakshinamurti. So that Swayam eva Sphurati, Swayam Sphurana Swarupa, Sacchidatma is Dakshinamurti. To that Dakshinamurti is this salutation. Tasmai Namah iti Anvaya. Sphurana Visheshanam Asat Kalparthakam iti. This Sphurana Visheshana is given as Asat Kalparthakam Sphuranam. Why Asat Kalparthakam? Asat Tulyo na Atyantam Asanneva Artho Vishaya Yasya Tat. That which is like Asat, not completely Asat. Na Atyantam Asanneva Artha Vishaya Yasya Tat Tatha. So this is how the Vigraha is done. Tat Tatha means that Asat Kalparthakam. Anirvachaniya Vishayakaram ityartha. What is meant is it is Anirvachaniyam. Asat like Asat. It is Sat appearing like Asat. Means it is neither Sat nor Asat nor Sadasat. Natu Vishayo Bhasamanaha San. Bhasamana Vishaya na Sat. Na San means Vishaya na San. Vishaya is not absolute reality. Why? Agamapayitvat Shukti Rajatvat. So, Anumanam is done. Bhasamanaha Vishayaha Natu San. Hetu Agamapayitvat. Drashtanta Shukti Rajatvat. So, Agamapayitvam is the Hetu. Paksha is Bhasamana Vishaya. The appearing objects or object is not absolute reality, is not Sat Swarupa. Why? Because it has arrival and departure. Agamapayitvat. In Tattvanusandhanam we just saw last time, that which is Agamapayi cannot be Sat. And it cannot be me also. because I am drashta. You need some drashta who knows the arrival and departure of other things. Like Shukti Rajata. Shukti Rajata is having arrival departure. Shukti Rajata came because of Bhranti, it left because of Jnanam. Jnanam came, Shukti Rajat left. Napi Atyantam Asan Vishayaha. It is not Asan because Vishaya is Pullinga. For Pullinga it is Asan. For Napunsakalinga they would have said Asat. It is not Atyanta Asat. Atyantam Asan. Why? Aparoksha Pratibhasat. Because there is Aparoksha Jnanam. Aparoksha Jnanam means Pratyaksha. You can experience the Vishaya. And Arthakriyakaritvacha, and there is Arthakriyakaritvam. Arthakriyakaritvam means it has the ability to give here, in this case, Mithya Vastu, how can it have Arthakriyakaritvam? Like Shukti Rajata. So Shukti Rajata can make you run towards it, can give you the abhasa of sukham, illusion of happiness. So in this way, Arthakriyakaritva. Sarpa, it can give you fear, it can make you run, and while you are running, if you fall down somewhere, that is prarabdha dukkham. So in this way it is Arthakriyakari. Aparoksha pratibhasat Arthakriyakaritvacha Mayavi nirmita nadyadivad ityartha. Like a magician who creates a river, Mayavi nirmita nadyadi, which is appearing. So it is neither atyantam sat, neither atyantam asat. तथा च विषयाणाम चिदात्म व्यतिरेकेण स्वरूप अनिरूपणात् चिदात्मनि अनिरूपणात् चिदात्मनि माया कल्पितान् विषयाकारान् दृग्दृश्यादि विवेक ज्ञानेनाभिभूय स्वयमद्वयं प्रत्यस्तमित समस्त विशेषाकारमात्मानमनुभवन् तत्त्वमसीति वेदवचसाय आश्रितान् उपासकान् आत्मजिज्ञासून् साक्षात् बोधयति तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये इति अन्वयः. तथा च एंड ऑल्सो विषयाणां चिदात्म व्यतिरेकेण स्वरूप अनिरूपणात् of the Vishayas Chidatma Vyatirekena Swarupa Nirupana. Other than Chaitanya, there is no other way to cognize them, to recognize that there is something. If, like in a dark room, in the night, if a person just has to sit at one place and has to know the presence of objects, it is not possible. You need some Chaitanya. So that is said, Vishayanam Chidatma Vyatirekena Swarupa Anirupanat. Swarupa Nirupanam is not possible. Chidatmani Maya Kalpitan Vishayakaran. And in that Chidatma, the Maya Kalpita Vishayakara, the illusory objects which are there, Drig Drishyadi Viveka Jnanena Abhibhuya. By the Drig Drishya Viveka Jnana, what will happen is the Vishayakara will become Abhibhuya. Abhibhuya is for Vishayakaran Abhibhuya. How? Through Drigdrishya Viveka. So, earlier I think the Satta and Sphuranam is everywhere, or I think objects have their Satta and I am the Drashta, I have the Sphuranam. They are Jada, that much I know. when I realize that Satta and Sphuranam, they go together, and real Satta is only Atma Satta, then their Sphuranam is Mithya. In this way, I will understand. So, I am Drashta, that is Drishya. Drishya Prapanch is Maya Kalpita. So, Maya Kalpitan Vishayakaran Abhibhuya. Abhibhavanam means you negate their reality, you downgrade them, or you push them down. Literal meaning is to make them unknown. Literally means you realize that they are really non-existent. Vishayas are Maya Kalpita, really they are not existent. Through this Drigdrishya Jnanam, Swayam Advayam Pratyastamita Samasta Visheshakaram, that I am the non-dual reality, Pratyastamita Samasta Visheshakaram. All Visheshas are Pratyastamita. Pratyastamita means they all are subsided. All Visheshakaras have dissolved in Atma. Pratyastamita Samasta Visheshakaram Atmanam. Atma, where all the dualities have submerged, dissolved, Anubhavan, recognizing that. This is the Guru who has understood this. Tattvamasi iti Vedavachasa ya ashritan bodhayati. By the Tattvamasi Vedavakya, he enlightens the students. Who are they? Ashritan, those who have surrendered. Those who are somewhere else, teacher is not going to run after them to enlighten. But those who have come to teacher, to them he will enlighten. Now, who are these? Upasakan Atma Jignasun. They are already Upasakas. So, they are Saguna Brahma Upasakas, Saguna Brahmanistha. And Atma Jignasu also. And they are also interested in Brahma Jnanam, Atma Jignasun. Sakshat Bodhayati Tasmai Shri Guru Murtaye iti Anvaya. To him, to that Dakshinamurti teacher, who is already enlightened and enlightens the disciples, to that Dakshinamurti, Guru Murti is salutation. Iti Anvaya. Jnana nivartyattvadapi prapancha rupo bandha ajnana kalpitaha na paramartha iti abhipretya aha. Jnana nivartyatvat, this prapancha is subject to elimination by jnanam. When jnanam comes, it disappears. Jnana nivartyatvat, like Rajju Sarpa. When Rajju Jnanam takes place, Sarpa Nivritti takes place. Prapancha rupo bandhaha ajnana kalpitaha na paramartha. So this prapancha is also ajnana kalpita. It is not paramartha. Iti abhipretya aha. Yat sakshat karanaditi. So if you do sakshatkar of this, you become free. Bhavambho nidhau ambho nidhivad apare agadhe dustare bhave samsare न पुनरावृत्ति ही पुनः संसार भाव इत्यर्थः. Bhavambho nidhau, in this ocean of transmigration, yat sakshatkaranat, by the sakshatkara, ambho nidhivad apare agade dustare bhave samsare na punravritti punaha samsara bhava. So in this ocean because you don't see the end. In the ocean, somewhere in the middle, we have no idea where it begins and ends. That is why apare, dustare, agadhe, bhave, samsare, na punaravritti. Punah samsara abhava. There is no coming back again. Agad. Agad means unfathomable. Dustara, difficult to cross. Apar means shoreless. So, apare, agade, dustare, bhave, samsare, in this, no coming back. So, the firm resolve should be there that I don't want to come back of the student. This should be the resolve. Then teacher says, you will not come back. In fact, even right now there is no samsara. Because there is no creation. There is no srishti. There is no samsaranam. This is the meaning of this shloka. Idamat shloka vyakhyam arabhate idamatrakutam iti. Shloka vyakya explanation arabhate. Arabhate kaha arabhate? Acharya Shri Shureshwaraha. Shloka Vyakyam Arabhate. He begins the exposition on the third ullasa. Idamatra akutam. He says idamatra akutam means idamatra abhipretam. This is the meaning intended here. Asatkalpeshu bhaveshu. असत्कल्पेषु भावेषु जडेषु क्षणनाशिषु अस्तित्वं च प्रकाशत्वं नित्यात् संक्रामतीश्वरात् असत्कल्पेषु भावेषु जडेषु क्षणनाशिषु अस्तित्वं च प्रकाशत्वं नित्यात् संक्रामतीश्वरात्. असत्कल्पेषु भावेषु जडेषु क्षणनाशिषु अस्तित्वं च प्रकाशत्वं च अस्तित्वं प्रकाशत्वं च नित्यात् ईश्वरात् संक्रामति. In asatkalpa bhava, asat sadrisha, kalpa means sadrisha, like, bhuyo samana dharmatvam. Lot of similarity is there, but there is difference also. So, asat kalpeshu bhaveshu, bhaveshu padartheshu. All these padarthas, they are like asat, mithya. Asat means atyanta, asat tuchha. Asat kalpa means not tuchha, mithya. Jadeshu, in the jada padartha, kshananashishu, they are kshanabhangura. They don't last long also. Human beings, their life is also kshananashi. And what to talk of our minds, they are even short-lived. One moment everything is fine, something happens, next moment everything changes. Kshananashishu. Astitvancha prakashatvan nityat ishwarat sankramati. Astitvam, existence, prakashatvam, the Chaitanya aspect, both of them are from Nitya Ishvara. Nityat Ishwarat Sankramati. Their Sankramanam is there from Nitya Ishvara. Means Astitva Prakasham in the Jada Padartha comes from Ishvara into Jada Padartha. That is the Sankramanam. See Tika. Yaduktam, actually we should have read that much part of the Tika before the shloka. Anyway. यदुक्तम भावेषु आत्मसत्ता स्फुरणे कुत आगत्य संगते प्रतिबिंब भावेन वा संक्रमणेन वा संगते इति. यदुक्तम भावेषु आत्मसत्ता स्फुरणे कुत आगत्य संगते. What teacher is saying, student, O Shishya, what you said that the Atmasatta Sphuranam in the bhava, in the padartha, फ्रॉम वेयर डिड इट कम मीन्स हाउ डिड इट कम कुत आगत्य सत्तास्फुरणे संगते मीन्स सत्तास्फुरत्ते संगते प्रतिबिंब भावेन वा संक्रमणेन वा संगते इति हैव दे कम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रतिबिंब लाइक बिंब एंटरिंग इन दर्पण एज प्रतिबिंब और संक्रमणेन संक्रमणम लाइक द फायर envelops the iron ball in this way. तत्र किं भावेषु पृथक् दर्पणादयः पिण्डादिवत् विद्यमानेषु कथं संगते इति पृच्छसि. Are you asking that किं भावेषु पृथक् दर्पणादयः दर्पणात् अयः पिण्डादिवत् भावेषु पृथक दर्पणात्. So like a pratibimb appearing there, ayah pindadivat. So like in the iron ball, fire is entering. So two examples. Entering into the mirror, the reflection entering into mirror as though, or fire entering into the iron ball, that is sankramanam. Vidyamaneshu katham sangate iti pruchhasi. How do they enter? Is this what you are asking? Or किं वा भावानामेव स्वतः सत्ता स्फुरण संभवे किम आत्मसत्ता स्फुरण संगमेन इति. So are you saying that they don't have their satta and therefore the satta is coming from elsewhere, or they already have their satta, why should satta come from elsewhere? Two types of questions can be there. Either they don't have their satta and sphuranam, therefore it is coming from somewhere, then how did it come? Or are you asking that because they already have their satta sphuranam, why would it come from elsewhere? That is the second part. किं वा भावानाम एव स्वतः सत्ता स्फुरण संभवे. भावानाम पदार्थानाम स्वतः सत्ता स्फुरण संभवे किम आत्मसत्ता स्फुरण संगमेन. Why this आत्मसत्ता स्फुरणम has to appear in दृश्य पदार्थ when they already have सत्ता स्फुरणम. तत्र आद्यं प्रत्याह. So in that first question it is said asatkalpeshu bhaveshu jadeshu kshanashu. So the padarthas themselves are asatkalpa, they are mithya, they are jada, they are kshanabhangura, and therefore from nitya ishvara atma astitva prakashatva enters there. Asatkalpatve hetuhu jadeshu iti. Why they are asatkalpa? Because they are jada. So that which is jada will be mithya. Chetanam is satyam, jada is mithya. He does the anumanam. See, vimatam anirvachaniyam sadvilakshanam iti va jadatvat shukti rajatavad ityartha. Vimatam anirvachaniyam. Whatever is vimatam, vimatam means there where there is vivada, where there is no sammati is called asammatam is vimatam. So where one paksha is saying something, another paksha is saying something else. So these bhava padarthas, we say they are mithya, and somebody else says it is satyam. In Rajju Sarpa, we say it is mithya. Purva Paksha also says it is mithya. Therefore, they are not there in Paksha. In Paksha, only those things where there is difference in thinking between Purva Paksha and Siddhanta. Let us say if they also believe like Vishishtadvaita, Shuddhadvaita, etc. If you tell them Brahma, in Brahma there is no Vimatam because they accept Brahma is Satyam. We also accept Brahma is Satyam. Even Dvaita, Madhvacharya's followers, they also say Brahma is Satyam. So Brahma can never be in Paksha. Rajju Sarpa, Shukti Rajata cannot be in Paksha. Because in there is Sammati. So Vyavaharik Jagat is taken as Paksha. Anirvachaniyam. Sadhya is that it is Anirvachaniyam. Sad Vilakshanam. Va. It is different from Sad. Why? Jadatvat. Because it is Jada. Drashtanta is Shukti Rajata. Like Shukti Rajata is Jada. Means it is not Chetana. Therefore it is not Sat also. That which is not Chetana is not Sat also. So Asat Kalpatve Jada is the Hetu. Now Jadatve, how do you say it is Jada? What is the Hetu? Jadatve Hetu Kshananashi Shu iti. It is Kshananashi, Kshanavinashi, Kshanabhangura. Vipratipannam Jadam Drishtanashta Swarupatvat Shuktirajatavat ityarthaha. Vipratipanna vastu, that which is subject to debate, this Vyavaharik Jagat Prapancha, is Jadam, is Mithya, is Achetanam, Jadam. Why? Hetu is Drishtanashta Swarupatvat, that which is seeing and it disappears, seeing and it disappears. Drishtanashta, as we see it goes away. Drishtanashta Swarupatvat Shukti Rajatavad ityartha. It is like Shukti Rajata. Shukti appearing in Rajat is also Drishtanashta. Evam vidheshu bhaveshu nityad ishwarad astitvancha prakashatvancha sankramat विषयस्थम इव विषयाकारम अवभासेते रजतात्मना इव शुक्ति सत्ता स्फुरणे इत्यर्थः. सो एवं विधेषु भावेषु, भावस विचार, पदार्थस विचार, दृष्ट नष्ट स्वरूप विचार, जड़ विचार, असत्कल्प, इन देम नित्याद ईश्वरात, फ्रॉम द नित्य ईश्वर, अस्तित्वम प्रकाशत्वं च, अस्तित्वम एंड प्रकाशत्वम, संक्रामत, while sankramanam means moving forward. So here sankramanam is entering, as though vishayastham iva, as though they are in the vishaya, vishayastham, विषयाकारम अवभासेते सत्ता स्फुरते. They take the form of Vishaya. How? Like Shukti appears as Rajat and Shukti takes Satta and Sphuranam from Rajat. I mean, Rajat takes Satta and Sphuranam from Shukti. The silver takes the illusory existence that it has and illusory knowledge. Actually, it is borrowed from Shukti. So, Rajatatmana eva, Rajatatmana iva, Shukti Satta Spurane, Avabhasete ityarthaha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।